Hey, what's up guys? It's Lucas Casper here again. Just the other day, I went out to my back wall and I painted a piece, all with New York fats, so these fat caps. What's cool about these monster sort of characters that I paint is they're symmetrical. I was standing out there looking at it, ready to paint over it and to do something new and make a new video, but I thought, why not just sort of add to it? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint over half of that little monster, basically redo half of the section. I'm looking at a lot of these purples. The previous one was like orange and that sort of tealy, greeny, bluey color. We'll see what I can do with my style there, and I'm really interested to see how it turns out. Sweet, all the colors down. Looks pretty trippy, you know, the two next to each other. It's gonna be wild once I pull that tape down and you can actually see it. Next comes up the outline. So I got like a dark purple for this. It's a bit brighter than that black, so I'm hoping it looks sort of a bit creepy. That seems to be the color scheme they're going with. It reminds me of like a Pokemon or something, that deep purple color. Let's see what it looks like after I outline the thing. That's it. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you. I really appreciate you watching along. I've been putting a lot more time into these videos. I'm at the point where I'm actually really open to ideas. If there's anything in particular you want to see, feel free to leave it in the comments. I'll keep painting. Hopefully you keep watching. And yeah, just thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.